Alright, so today we have Omar's car here because his dumbass decided to try and do a burnout. The car's been here for like almost 2 weeks, I want to say. So he finally got his drive shaft in, and he's having my homie Silverio replace it for him. So I guess let's get started on this. Let me see, lift it up. Good one. Alright, so Silver right here is gonna be doing the install. I'm just gonna be here for moral support. But alright, so what are you doing right now, Silver?
Taking off these 4 bolts. I'm gonna take off the last one right now.
Alright, so basically you have to take off those 4 bolts right there for the drive shaft. You already took them off?
Yeah, 2/17 on each side.
Alright. Now you just gotta pull it out or what?
Pretty much. Ready? It was half of it.
Fucking half of the drive shaft came out.
No, I can't get up.
The other half's over there?
Yeah, you have to get off the driving side.
Good one, Omar.
This is what carbon fiber looks like when it's all beat up.
Was it worth it, Omar? That's half. Alright, this is the other half. Look at this. Alright, so I just gotta put the new one back in. It's just 4 bolts. The one's by the diff. And then the other piece doesn't have any bolts. Just goes in. No lube required. Alright, let's see if your weight was worth it, Omar, because it looks like one of them is shorter than the other one. Well, your actual one is shorter than the new one you bought. So we'll see. Hopefully, you just have a chunk missing. That's why it's measuring shorter than the other one. But we'll see. What do you think, sir?
Okay.
Alright. He's optimistic, I'm not.
Ow!
Alright, so it's in the place it's supposed to go in. Let me see, move it real quick. Oh, just like that. Slut. Alright, now I just gotta tighten the back bolts real quick. Where is it going?
See the bolts? You're only going one way. Wait, this way. And then not in the back. By the differential. Get my fucking fat ass hands in there.
There's what, 4?
Yeah. And after that, spin it. Put those other 2. Tighten them down.
Alright, so the new drive shaft is in. He's just tightening it down real quick. But it looks like it fits, so should be fine, Omar. Only took like 10 minutes, maybe 15. Something like that. But alright, let's see once it's all tightened down. Hopefully the car actually moves. But we'll see right now. Alright, so while he finishes that, this is his truck. We went on some trails maybe like a week and a half ago. And this dude fucking threw up all on the door. He hasn't even cleaned that shit. Look at this. He threw up on one side of the door, and then there's throw up on the other side of the door. But still dirty. At least he keeps the interior clean though. But look at this. dirty. Alright, he just finished. We're about to try. See if it works. What the hell, Omar? You're missing your third pedal, dude. Looks like we're good. Alright, looks like we're good. We're gonna put the car on the ground right now. We'll see if it actually moves or not. Alright, so we're able to put the car down. Literally all he used was a 17mm wrench, just for the 4 bolts on the drive shaft itself. These right here. And then the other side just goes into the tranny. And that's it. Now we're about to put the car on the ground, and we're gonna see. It should move, but it's a little dumb because it's automatic, so the car might act retarded at first. It's like learning how to walk again. Look at Omar's freaking mod. Alright, let me roll the window down again. That's funny. Oh, for the other one? Alright, so look, this is, I don't know what the hell Omar was doing, but if he closes his door, his window goes up. That's how automatics are, I guess. Automatic everything. Now time to lower the car. Let's see Omar's fitment. Oh, it's a neutral. Weak ass fitment. It is. So it should be good now, huh?
Yeah, let me just move my shit and then drive it up.
Alright. We're gonna give it a shot right now. He's just gonna move his truck. Alright. Peep this fitment compared to this fitment. Now let's try and see if his car will actually move now. Alright, so his car is out on the street now. Should drive now. We're gonna take it out right now, but look at these headlights. Obviously done by me. But alright, let me take it out for a little drive real quick and we'll see. Make sure it drives. So the car moves now, obviously it works. Cámbiale gear, güey, no mames.
I'm doing shit. It's automatic.
That's why. Sorry it's NA. Sorry it's auto. Alright, so car drove good. His little drive shaft again. Car's good now. Now he can drive it. But now we're just waiting for him to come pick up the car.